Welcome to this AI Essentials video. If you have recently done data analysis with Python or Jupyter Notebook, which is a lot of copy pasting, and if you want to learn how to reduce your effort from 3 hours to just 3 minutes, I will show you how to do this using Cursor. My name is Tim, and I'm a third-year PhD student with the Institute for AI and Medicine. And before we get started, a little disclaimer that Cursor uses proprietary APIs. So this is fine when you deal with publicly available data sets or synthetic data sets, but as soon as you work with protected health information or data sets that have restrictions in sharing, you should carefully consider how to set up your cursor environment and also check out the resources on the AI Essentials page. So here we are in my cursor environment, which you can download and set up. It's pretty easy. I downloaded the synthetic data set that I'm using to typically build my models before I run it on clinical data. This is like a condition file I want to analyze, and I prepared a prompt for this, saying write notebooks like code that loads the condition data set and performs basic exploratory analysis. Now I'm running this in the chat window here in Cursor and waiting for the response. So this is what Cursor came up with, letting it run for like 30 seconds or so. It details the steps it took and the outcomes it created. And then on the left side, you can see the file it created from scratch. You can see highlighted in green the changes it made, which is beneficial if you have already a file and just want to make some changes by using the chat function. But for now, let's have a look at the Python file. As I said, it's a Python file. It can be run in its entirety. But what I really love about these Markdown functionality that Jupyter Notebook also has is we can run cell by cell by either click on running cell, close this here, or use the keyboard shortcuts. So what Cursor created here is like an overview. Here it loads the data set. It identified the right path, displays an overview of the data frame, does some exploratory data analysis, data set overview, lists the data types, missing values, for example. And further down, it also creates some figures, like with the top conditions in the data set, which you can see here. And then another additional feature that I want to show you is using this as the cell magic command to create a new cell. And let's say I wanted to analyze the top conditions in, say, 2021. And it automatically suggests some code. So if I click on tab, it will pre-fill the code for me, or that might be that we can use. If you like this video, I think that's a really good way of using technology to help us implement into analysis. And yeah, if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and make sure to let us know your comments or questions.